Good morning, everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, Miss Afiqah.
Yes, Miss Afiqah.
Okay. I would like to welcome all of you to the meeting today. I am Afiqah, and I am a chairperson of this meeting. So let's begin our meeting. Thanks for respond on my email. Right now, we could not able to have visual meeting, so we need to conduct virtual meeting. As right now, all of us are working from home in this pandemic situation. As I mentioned on my email that we will do a virtual meeting on Friday, which is today, around 11 a.m. I'd like to take a roll call first before we start. Um,
Uh,
Miss Suhaila, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Steven, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Miss Alicia, are you there? Okay.
yes, I'm here.
Miss Cassandra,
Yes, I'm here.
okay. Before we start, can every one of you introduce yourself? We start with the Miss Suhaila first.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is SUHAILA and I am Relation Officer. My responsibility are development campaign and media relations, also seeking partnership, sponsorship and advertising. Nice to meet you all.
Okay. Can we continue with Mr. Steven?
Hello everyone. This is this is Steven, and I'm a financial officer. My responsibility is daily financial manage and analyze. Also the capital operation.
Okay, nice to meet you. Miss Alicia, can you introduce yourself?
Uh, okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Alicia ANAK as the Infrastructure and Maintenance Officer. And my responsibility is I'm responsible for designing and executing short and plus long-term strategic plans to ensure infrastructure capacity against current and future needs. And I also responsible to develop, execute, and oversee the procedures, policies, and related spending plans for project management and infrastructure administration.
Okay, thank you, Miss Alicia. And the last one, Miss Cassandra.
Okay, hi. My name is Cassandra Natasha Kading. You can call me Cass. And I'm the training officer here. I'm responsible in liaising with the managers and interviewing employees at all levels to identify and access training and development needs.
Okay,
Nice to meet you, all of you.
okay. Um, the purpose of today's meeting is to make a decision on how to improve work environments at our workplace. And there are several issues that I need to discuss with all of you. Before I go further, I'd like to go through the minutes of our previous meeting. They have additions or correction to the minutes? No, right?
No.
Okay, can someone approve the minutes?
Uh, I would like to approve the minutes of meeting.
Okay, thank you, Miss Suhaila. So today we have three agenda, which on firstly how to make work environment safer at our company. Secondly, on how to make work environment disabled friendly at workplace, and lastly, we will discuss on how to make work environment eco friendly among employees. Miss Cassandra, would you mind taking the minutes?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay, let's start on our first agenda on how to make work environment safer. As you have heard, there were someone outsiders who break into our factory um, and were be caught by one of our security guards. Miss Alicia, do you have something to talk about this issue?
Okay, for this me and my team have doing some uh, check, and we found out that the access control of the building security outdated, and the security system also not well maintained, so it breaks down easily. So what we can do is to install uh, the EPS system, or known as the electronic physical security system. You want me to further explain about this system?
Yes, Alicia.
Sorry, Miss Alicia, can you explain about it again because I'm not very clear with it.
Okay. For the issue just now, me and my team found out that the access control of the building's security is a bit
Yeah.
outdated, and the system also not well maintained, so it can break down easily. So what can we suggest to improve the security for a safer workplace environment is to install the ES, or also known as the electronic physical security system.
Electronic.
So if you don't mind, I can explain further about this security.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I will just continue. So this EPS, or electronic physical security system, is a system that includes a card, a reader, and an electronic locking device that controls the portal. So the bugger alarm and the radio frequency identification, or known as RFID, also included and connect and connected, and it does a specific job when deployed by the. So many uh, many companies have been using this, and I think it's a better choice to be installed at our company.
Okay, thank you, Miss Alicia. I think I need to hear some opinion from finance officer Mr. Steven, regarding the cost on how on the to install the electronic security technology for our company.
Okay. Uh, okay. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss Afiqah. After
Yes.
the meeting with a high authorizer in the past few days, the section in improving and maintaining the security system will be like around to 20,000 ringgit.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Steven. I think our company do not have enough budget to install the electronic safety system. So I need a suggestion from Miss Suhaila. Can you find a company that's willing to fund for our company?
Okay, Miss Afiqah. For my department, I suggest we will find the company that provide facility according to our criteria needed. So I need the criteria. Maybe we can. Can you give us some time so we can list down the company we need?
Okay,
That's all.
okay. Maybe for the next meeting, you can give me the list of the company. Okay, okay. I think that's all for the first agenda. I will bring this to the higher authority, and I will convince them for them to approve the proposal. So I think we need to continue for our second agenda on how to make work environment disabled friendly. Miss Cassandra, I heard that our company will welcome a new trainee, and I heard one of our trainee have the special abilities, right?
Yeah, it's true. Yes, yes. Miss Afiqah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, do you have any suggestion to make the special abilities trainee um uh to what we call it to able to work with our company?
Sure, I have some idea for this. As this is a special case, so we might want to make accessibility a priority for them. So I think we need to provide excessive technology for them, like putting. As I know, the person is someone with artistic. Sorry. So we need to provide some special modification equipment such as special keyboard adapted for this person. So this will cost some budget. So I need our financial officer to figure out uh, how how much is the budget for this one. As it's just for at least we install one equipment for this a disabled person.
Okay. Miss Steven, can you put it in our
Oh, okay, I
Yeah,
will.
cost list? Yes.
yeah. It's just the budget for the keyboard modification. Yeah,
Okay.
to make it more easier for this person to work for us.
Okay. Actually, our company already have the facility for disabled person, but I need some budget from Mr. Steven to have improvement for our disability capabilities, so that our special trainee will comfort to work at our company.
Yes.
Okay, I think we need to proceed to our last agenda. Okay, thank you, Miss Cassandra. I will try to bring this to the higher authority, so that they will notice that we have the special abilities training will become to our company.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
Miss
you. Okay, I think we need to proceed to our last agenda. Um, I would like to start with Miss Suhaila. No, our last agenda on how to make eco-friendly environment at workplace. Do you have any suggestion, Miss Suhaila?
Okay, thank you, Miss Afika. First of all, as a public relation, as I state before, our company, our department is seek opportunity, for partnership. So I think I need the some suggestions from each department, which is Miss Cassandra and Alice, also Mr. Steven. If you have any suggestions, so I can proceed with the third agenda as a public relations, since we need to find partnership or sponsorship if we need it. So, any
Okay.
suggestions?
I
Any suggestion?
understand that. Um,
I have 10 suggestions.
Miss
Okay,
Okay, Miss
yes,
Alice.
Kelly.
okay. I okay. I suggest that we done all the projects to monitor the waste produced by companies. I take inspiration from the NATASHA Japan Corporation, where they list out all the projects and tenders that they can bring up all the solid waste that they produce as their solid waste, uh, so that um, so that they can sort out the waste before they send them. So I think we also need to support our government effort to reduce the amount of solid waste that we for dispose to the landfills, and also to reduce the demand for because it's the the serious problem of environmental concern.
Okay, I have
Okay.
suggestion. I think Miss Suhaila can contact with marketing departments so that they can trying to have a video, a great video or infographics to educate our employees. Um, so that I think Miss Suhaila can work together with marketing department to educate our employees. Okay, do you have any suggestion?
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Okay.
You go first, Miss Suhaila.
Oh no, no, it's okay. Your turn because I need to know the what you need so I can proceed.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Suhaila. I'm agree with what Miss Alicia has suggested now. As for me, I also have some suggestion on how to make our workplace more eco-friendly. It is a part of what Alicia have mentioned just now. What I want to suggest is, I want to create we want to create a monthly green challenge for our company. For example, on January we will going to have a recycle month, and in February to make a share don't toss. It means like we donate our used item to others, or we can even sell it to get some fund for our company. And for March, we're going to go paperless and
Mm-mm.
etc. It will be changed every month. The monthly green challenge.
Okay,
What
nice
do you
idea.
think?
Yes, nice
Okay.
idea from Miss Cassandra. I agree with you. I will bring this proposal to the higher authority and I will convince them. I hope that this proposal also will be agreed by the higher authority because I think that it can educate our employees on to make eco-friendly environment at our workplace. I think that's all for today. So we will end our meeting today. I will hear some of the progress and from all of you for the next meeting, and I also will inform you after I have a meeting with higher authority if whether your proposal is approved or not.
Thank you,
Okay.
Miss Afika.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Afiqah.
Thank you, Miss Afika.
Okay. I will inform you when we I will conduct for the next meeting via email. So I hope all of you will alert. Um, and I think also we will if we will need to work from home. I think we need to conduct our visual meeting. Um, so I think that's all for today. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.